If you live in Vancouver, I'm pretty positive you've come across this type of buildings before. Surrounded with scaffolding and this type of covering. And you might be wondering, what is that? They're probably updating it. And what's happening is that they're actually fixing a problem that they should have done a while back. And today I want to tell you a little bit of that story, which is related to the Leaky Condo crisis that you've probably heard before. So Vancouver is considered to be a rainforest. That is no surprise to anyone. What happened is that it was between the 80s and the early 2000s that there was a boom in construction. Some developers, they were trying to build as quick as possible, and that meant cutting corners. When they were working on the building envelope, which is what separates the interior from the exterior of the home, they were tightly sealing so that water wouldn't actually penetrate to the home. What they found out later is that water was gonna go inside the home no matter what. So then, as soon as the water went into the building envelope, there was no way for the water to actually come out or evaporate. So that meant it will create a lot of mold, causing a costly maintenance and repairs. So they had to implement a rainscreen system. But using the rainscreen, water is able to drain and find a way out, which is what we're looking for. We're looking for the water to find an exit so it doesn't stay there and create mold. All the buildings that do not have it, it's costing them millions of dollars for them to implement this new system. So if you're gonna go and buy a new home, you want to make sure that you don't have to pay for that special levy, or that the rainscreen system is already implemented in that home. You'll see that in many of the buildings, they do have a separation between the cladding, and that metal separation, it's called flashing. So that is what's giving a direction to the water to go through. But the best way to find out if there is a rainscreen in the building where you want to buy is by reading the documents, the strata documents, the depreciation reports, the minutes as well. If you want to learn more, then contact me. This is Ernesto with Oakwyn, and I'll see you on the next video.